What's going on, YouTube? It is a glorious day. I am out here with my good friend, Beastie. So what I decided to do, oh wow, that's horrible lighting. Okay, let me get it, okay. So you can behold all this luxurious chocolate Black History Month. What I'm doing is, you see those orange lights right there? Yeah, they gotta go. So what I decided to do was, let's make them red. So that's what I'm in the midst of doing right now. And I just realized that I should bring you along for the journey. So with the new red lights come a new harness. So that's what I've done so far, is I have disconnected the old harness. Old busted. And I've wired in the new harness. Nothing major to do there. It's kind of good reason why I didn't bring you along for that, because that's just R&R. And so now comes the tedious part of loosening the grill so that I can get the old lights out and put the new lights in. Now, I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it. But if you can see how small those screws are. So I've got to have some room to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and get to it now. Stay tuned. Ooh, it's breezy. Hey. You need a highlight of that one right there. Hold on. So it was at this point that I realized I had made a video about taking off these lights before, because I had to replace one of those front lights already. So I'm going to go ahead and put the link to that video right here. And you can see all the tools that I used to take it off, but I just didn't feel like making a video to show you how I did it when I've already done it once before. So here you go. All right. You get to watch this with me before I put it back together in 3, 2, 1. Wait. Let's get all the way nasty with it. And now I see a lot of people do this, and this is a big no-no for me. All the parts that I take off of Beastie, I always keep them. Why, you may ask? Because at the end of the day, all that stuff that I put on Beastie is aftermarket, and it may blow out. but I know all this stuff is tried and true. Now, let me say this. This is not from Beastie. That is from the Lincoln. But all these other parts, these all came from the factory, including these tail lights. All that stuff still works, so I keep it just to be on the safe side. So I've seen this applique, and I thought about doing it, and I had some people ask me, if and when I'm going to do it. Here's my thing. You want to see me do it? By all means, you can send it to me. My P.O. box is in the description. And Chuck, as soon as you send it, I'm going to put my own little je ne sais quoi to it. And I will show you how it's done and put it on. So until then, as always, I'm Stu. Beastie's outside. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button.